Whereas we have said one.
I would suggest say no.
We have decided today with Ahadi Kenya Trust to adopt 10 patients. Ahadi Kenya Trust is adopting 3, Ushiriki Wema is adopting 7. And part of the contribution here of beds, I am proud to say that Ushiriki Wema has also adopted a bed, and we hope to adopt a few more beds as we go along the way.
One of our major challenges that we have been having is indigent bills. We have an indigent bill close to 8 billion cumulatively. Those patients who can't pay won't pay. And that's why now we are moving. And because we know to attain the UHC, the way to go is the NHIF or financing.
Tukite ni undu wa kuheana itanda itanda 33 iria cikuheanĩtwo nĩ NSSF na wabici ya Tesi Musalia uria mutumia wa cabinet secretary chief prime cabinet secretary na umuthi ni twarugũria tabarĩra ĩngĩ haria turauga adopt a patient kana ni adopt mũrwaru na ku adopt mũrwaru ni kuga atiriri we wina mbeca okorwo ni ukuoya family imwe umirihire 6,000 o mwaka NHIF maũndũ ma thibitarĩ ma bills maũndũ ma gũtindana na andũ maika harambe maũndũ ma gũtindaga atĩ mũndũ aciuga ndagũthiĩ thibitarĩ tondũ ndarĩ na mbeca ni maũkorwo mathirĩte.